Imagine, you wake up tomorrow, everything feels normal. You grab your phone, you make a cup of coffee, and then the earth suddenly stops spinning. Not for a minute, not for an hour, just 5 seconds. Sounds harmless, right? Wrong. In those 5 seconds, cities could disappear. Oceans could rise into massive walls of water. Winds faster than fighter jets would tear across the planet, and almost everything around you would become a deadly weapon. The scary part, this isn't science fiction, it's physics. So, what would actually happen if Earth stopped spinning for just 5 seconds? Let's find out. So, after everything we've seen today, one question remains: what makes our planet so incredibly stable? Every single second, the Earth rotates at nearly 1,670 kilometers per hour at the equator, and yet you never feel it. You can drink your coffee, walk your dog, play football, go to school, or simply watch this video without noticing that you're traveling through space at unbelievable speeds. That's because nature is perfectly balanced. Gravity holds us down, the atmosphere moves with us, the oceans rotate with the planet. Everything works together, like the most complex machine ever built. But today, we imagine something impossible. Just 5 seconds. 5 tiny seconds. And civilization could collapse. Cities destroyed, mountains scarred, entire coastlines erased, millions of lives changed forever. Thankfully, the chances of Earth suddenly stopping are essentially zero. But that's exactly why science is so fascinating. Sometimes, the best way to understand reality is to imagine the impossible, because every impossible question teaches us something real about the universe. So next time you look at the sky or watch the sunrise, remember, you're standing on a giant spinning rock, flying around the sun at over 107,000 kilometers per hour, while the entire solar system races through the Milky Way at hundreds of thousands of kilometers every hour, and somehow life continues quietly, perfectly, beautifully. The universe is stranger, bigger, and more incredible than we can ever imagine. So never stop asking questions. Never stop being curious, because curiosity is where every great discovery begins. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because next time we'll ask another impossible question, one that might completely change the way you see the universe. Until then, keep asking, keep exploring, and remember, science always asks, why? Take one last look at our planet. From space, Earth looks peaceful, calm, beautiful, a blue marble floating silently through the endless darkness. But beneath that beauty, everything is moving. The ground beneath your feet, the oceans, the clouds, even you, are traveling through space at incredible speeds. Right now, Earth is spinning, orbiting the sun, and racing through the Milky Way galaxy, all at the same time. And somehow, everything feels perfectly still. That is one of the greatest illusions in the universe. We rarely think about it, because our brains are designed to notice change, not perfection. The universe doesn't have to be loud, to be powerful. Sometimes, the most incredible things are happening in complete silence. Today, we imagine what would happen if our planet stopped spinning for only 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Less time than it takes to read this sentence. Yet those few seconds could reshape continents, destroy cities, create winds beyond imagination, and change life forever. Not because Earth is weak, but because the laws of physics never stop working. Gravity never takes a break. Momentum never forgets. Nature doesn't care who you are. It only follows its rules. And those rules created everything around us. The mountains, the oceans, the atmosphere, every living creature, including you. Maybe that's the most amazing part of science. It isn't just about numbers, equations, or complicated words. It's about understanding the invisible forces that shape every moment of our lives. The more questions we ask, the more we realize how little we actually know. Every answer opens another mystery. Every discovery reveals another question. And that's exactly why science never ends. Because the universe always has another secret waiting to be discovered. So, the next time you feel the wind on your face, watch the sunrise or look up at the stars. Remember, you're standing on a tiny world, spinning through an endless universe, protected by nothing more than the delicate balance of the laws of nature. And somehow, against impossible odds, you're here to witness it, to learn from it, to wonder about it. Because curiosity is the reason humanity reached the moon, built telescopes that can see billions of light years away, and continues searching for answers to questions nobody has solved yet. Who knows? Maybe the next great discovery will begin with a question that you decide to ask. Until then, stay curious, keep exploring, never stop asking questions, because every great discovery starts with one simple word: why? This is Science Always Asks. Why?